Today we got a vision. Today we got a vision. Hey, y'all getting the bloopers today. Anyway, today we got a video from Cop Vision Reality, and the title of the video is "She Handled a Fake ID." Fuck! Can't even say the goddamn title right. Spit it out, man. Spit it out. This is the first video of the day, so excuse me. All right. She handed a fake ID to police and everything fell apart.
That's from Iowa?
Yep.
Nice.
Well, we're from, we go to college all together, so we're
Where do you guys go to school?
Ball State.
Where?
Ball State.
Ball State?
In Indiana?
Never heard of it.
Oh, really?
No. So here's the deal. Can't have any alcohol anywhere on the beach.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
So even if you got some in your cooler,
None.
so can't have any alcohol.
Okay.
Closed, open alcohol you could go to jail for.
Yes. Okay.
So we don't want that, right?
Right. No, definitely not.
All right.
Now, what's wrong with you guys having fake IDs?
This is so we just turned in alcohol.
We don't like.
Oh, listen.
Okay.
You just turned a simple civil alcohol into a felony. Possession of a fake ID is a felony. Do you understand that?
Yes.
How old are you?
Felony.
Yes.
You're 20?
Like life ruining. Felony.
Yeah, I understand that, sir.
Why would you hand a fake ID to a police officer? Handing it to a bouncer at a bar is one thing. We're not security guards. We can look up this stuff.
Right.
Why would you do that?
I did not bring my real ID with me to the beach.
Okay, so you just hand a fake one to a police officer?
I mean, if you guys are gonna ask for an ID, I don't like. What
So
else?
you can give me your name and date of birth, not a fake ID.
Okay.
You know this is fake. You hand it to me.
Right.
That's just stupid.
Okay.
Maybe they finally, yeah.
Like that's a felony. Like that ruins college. Like that. Come over here. Well, he talks.
What an idiot. What an idiot.
I mean, it feels fake. Are you guys on spring break?
Yes, sir.
What's your last name?
These Chinese ones where you put an order in and then they.
I have no idea. I got it through a friend at school.
I know. What's your real birthday?
05/21/05.
What's your address?
You're okay. Do you have an actual
I have a
Iowa?
photo of my ID.
That'll work.
Okay.
I'm talking about. What do you want to go to college for? Or what are you going to college for?
You all go to school together?
Yes.
And that
How do you think it'll affect
Indiana,
you trying to work in a
I
hospital?
forgot the name of it already. That school in Indiana, you said?
Ball State.
Ball State?
Yep.
Okay. I don't know what the rules are up there. I don't know what campus police does. But this isn't Indiana. This is
Yeah,
Florida.
right.
We take this stuff seriously.
Right.
Because it gets out of control here.
Do your parents know you're down here?
Like I said, giving a fake ID to a bouncer, it's
I
still
just like didn't know what to do. It's like
still a felony.
right.
But just they can't look up stuff, right? They're
Okay.
gonna probably just take it
Right.
and tell you to beat it, right?
Man, he better not let her off the hook, man. Do not let her off the hook. She purposely did it. She purposely did it. If that was me, I'm going to jail. Okay? Come on now. Come on.
You're handing it to a police officer that
Yeah.
has capabilities to search everybody in America. That's just stupid.
Okay. I just like didn't know what else to do. I've never been in this situation before, obviously.
You're drinking alcohol on a beach, which pretty much 90% of the people do, but we have to come out here and obviously prevent it so stuff doesn't get out of hand.
Right.
Just be honest. You think it's the first time a 20-year-old
Definitely
or
not.
19-year-old has been drinking alcohol?
Right.
It's not. You think I haven't drank alcohol at 19 and 20?
You definitely have.
Okay,
Yeah.
So, but to hand a fake ID to a cop is,
Pretty fucking retarded.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Where you have the ID.
Where are you guys staying down here?
We're staying in a house. We're actually in Tampa, but we drove here today. It's like 30 minutes.
Okay. Like Airbnb?
Yeah. Well, at least I think so. That's what we got it
Date of
for.
birth again? What is it? Okay, you tell me 03.
So did you come over the bridge right here? When you drove in? That long bridge with.
Oh yeah, we were just parked right over there.
So.
03, you said 03, now you're saying 04?
So when you came over that bridge, there was a big sign that said no alcohol on the beach. I'm sure you saw it. It was big, huge.
Yeah, right. I didn't see it, but like I'm agreeing. I'm sure it's there. You wouldn't say that if it wasn't.
All right. Let me see what's going on over there.
Whoa. Stop.
Listen to me. Stay seated. I asked you for your ID the first time. You gave me the fake ID. I asked you for your name and date of birth. You tell me 02. I say 02. You say no 03. Listen to me. I checked the system for 03. Nothing on file. Listen to me. How old are you? You say you're 20. I checked the system for 03. Nothing comes up. I asked you again. Hey, nothing's coming up. Oh, it's 04. How old are you? Now you're 19. First chance, I was gonna give you the ID. I was gonna try to see the system, see if anything came up, see if you were being honest. You're not being honest, I'm done with it. We're not here for this back and forth games. It's spring break, I just wanna have fun. You had your chance, and you already lied to me 3 times. 3 strikes, I'm done. That's it, you're going to jail. Stand up.
Okay, so wait, now what are our next steps?
Oh man, you guys are a bunch of idiots. You guys are a bunch of freaking idiots. Listen, I get it. We were all young. You know what I'm saying? Spring break, amazing time. You know, I mean, me personally, I didn't really start drinking until like 21, literally. But you know, I've had a drink when I was underage. You know, my first drink, I think, was maybe at like 19 or something like that at a party or something. But, you know, I'm not a, you know, I wasn't a big drinker back then and stuff like that. I'm still not now, but you know, I drink a lot more now. But, you know, back then, man, it's just like, come on. Like the officer said, you think we're at the beach. You think people ain't got their little coolers with their drinks and, or, you know, the like the Stanley cups with their alcohol in it and stuff. Come on. It's spring break down there too. So it's like, of course. But you giving fake IDs, fake names. You don't know your date of births. None of that. Come on, man. Come on, you guys are screaming to go to jail. I don't understand it. Fucking dumb. Bunch of idiots.
749's got 1 female.
Don't cry now.
You're gonna have a seat right here.
You know how stupid this is? The first time this girl said, the officer said, the first date that you gave me made you 20 years old. You said that you were 20, which is still underage, okay? And now the second one, you're saying that you're 19, still underage. So you're lying. Who the hell, if you're underage, who the hell lies about and gives underage dates? If you were gonna lie about it, you would say, oh, you know, I'm 21 or I'm 22. You know, you're giving. Oh my God, this is crazy.
The game.
It's all four. I'm telling you that. I know.
Have a seat.
Okay, well, you don't want to go, right?
Where is the
Idiot.
Dallas County. We'll get you that information. Let us 3 minutes this right.
Can you go on that side so you can buckle it?
Yeah, like
2 fake ages you give is 19 and 20.
Okay. What on the floor is yours?
all of this whole entire bag right
This
here.
bag? Okay.
Yeah. Well, don't take that. You guys have to like confiscate it.
Is this hers? Is this yours?
Yeah.
Then it's going with her. That's it.
Oh, it's your property.
Just give her her phone and go
Nope,
home.
it's her property.
Nope, it's her property. It's going with her.
Well, like,
Leave that alone.
Oh, the girl's trying to tell the officers what they gonna do?
The last thing we need to be doing. We're trying to help you out and get you a break. You were honest with me after the first day. I don't know why you continued lying.
I didn't. I was so nervous.
Well, that's not an excuse.
You asked me twice, and I said, oh,
The third time, got it. Exactly. You lied.
we're 18 years old.
Well, she told me she was 21, then 20, and then 19. So I'm done with it.
Yes, yeah.
21, 20, and then 19. Wow.
Okay. We would have. I could promise you. We would have been in a way better position if you guys we went up to you and you guys were like, yeah, we're 18, we're sorry. You just gave us your real information. We would not be in this situation right now. I can assure you that. okay? But actions have consequences. You handed. I don't even want to know about. We gave you a break from the first time of you handing him, my partner, an ID that was fake. That's strike number one. He shouldn't have to ask you 5 times what your actual birthday is. I asked your friend here, and she gave up after the first shot and gave me a picture of her ID.
Okay. You guys gonna search other people too?
I don't know. Are other people gonna give me fake IDs? Well, right now we're dealing with you guys. What about the other cooler?
Just for the smart talk back, I would have locked her up, man. I don't got time. Are you guys gonna search anybody else? Are you fucking kidding me? After you just committed a felony? Really? Okay. I'm gonna show you today. Hey, lucky I ain't the officer, boy. You guys will be toast. Y'all gonna learn today.
Listen, do not lie to the police. It's real simple. We're not counting. That's when we'll let you put on clothing appropriate so you don't walk into jail in a bikini, okay? If you want your flip-flops now, you can put those on.
I have your shorts back here. I don't know if there's I think there's a sweater there.
Right here, the shorts and this is yours, right? Yeah. So once they come, if you want, I could kind of drape it over you now if you don't want to be on display here. But
Thank you.
when they come, we can appropriately do that.
You're just gonna walk over right up there and like that.
Yeah, there.
I'm gonna stand like stand.
Yep.
Because there's
Yeah, I got another female. Yeah.
Oh.
If you don't mind to share another female. That's why I You don't have to do something stupid, right? Okay. Just want to make sure.
You put the shorts on.
Unbelievable.
He's gonna put him in front. Just take your glasses off. You got it? Yeah, no problem. Can she, in her wallet, she is her ID, and she has $2 and like a quarter and like something else. This, can they take it? No, the liquid.
I don't know. I can try it, man. What is that?
Sunscreen.
They know? They don't want it? I trust it.
Yeah.
All right, and recording.
He needs the.
Okay. Damn. No outro? All right. That's just stupid, man. I would have took the other one too. I'm not gonna lie. Cause in the beginning she started off real good. The first one, like, you know, after she gave the ID, you know, she got it together. She got her attitude right. And then her friend gets locked up and then she goes off the rails again. You questioning me? Oh, are you gonna search other people and this and that? Excuse you? What? You know what? Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. We gonna focus on you today. You gonna be the center of attention today. Okay? You ain't gotta worry about other people. We just gonna focus right on you. Since you focus about other people, now I'm gonna just focus on you only. Man, that's insane. That's just stupid. She gave the police officers a fake ID as if they security at a club. Ain't that some shit? That's crazy. Anyway, I get officers 4 out of 5. I mean, 5 out of 5 if they would have took the first one too, but 4 out of 5. You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.